everybody, welcome back to my channel. Cheeky Colonel for guitar, drop it then Colonel Kitten, give me she trump up. And today I have these dolls called My Life. You can read it down here. And I'm going to be unboxing them. So I'm going to pick Meanie, Miny, Mo to get who's first. Meanie, Miny, Mo. Who's to let it by a toe? After you always let him go. Meanie, Miny, Mo. I'm going to be back in this one first. Ah! This one goes. Where can I put this? Oh, there. I don't know to unblock this. I need someone to help me. Let's get started unboxing these. Though I think this was first because okay, I think that was first. So beautiful. Okay. And my brother's gonna pass me the ditters like that. Okay. Pass me the ditters. I'll unbox this first and then I'll go on this one. So my brother's gonna help me unboxing this and this will be all done. Okay, I'm gonna pass it to my brother now. And this one is another one. It's a ballerina. I don't know what it is, but it's so cool. I like her shoes so much. Okay, I think my brother's done. I'm just gonna wait for him to be done. So I'll be reading the comments. I'm not reading the comments. I'm just waiting for my dad. Oh guys, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And I don't know when my toy is coming through because I'm really fashionable like that. My brother's almost done doing that. I got the glasses because it's some sort of different. It's like for her. And this one is a ballerina. I really like it. Guys, I'm here back and I'm done unboxing these and I need to give them a name. So we'll start with this one first. Then I got unboxing this one first. So I want to name her Beauty. Beauty's a nice name because they're so pretty. Okay. Next I need to electric it. Okay, I'm gonna electric it down for a minute, like this. So I'm gonna name her Allie, since she is so pretty too. She is so pretty. Alright, we're gonna So this one, so she is a student where she sits and she talks to other people. And I'm gonna make a story up now. Oh hey, are you in my class? No, why are you here? It's supposed to be my girl. Oh, my ballerina's class is just here. Oh, cool. Oh, the bell just rang. I need to go back to our class. Oh, okay. The end. That was my story about that. So thanks for watching our video. Make sure to give me a huge thumbs up, click my try button, turn my location, and give me a very huge, very big thumbs up.